I don't think I'll ever be able to forget Susie. And most of all, I will never forget that one night, working late on the catalog. Just the two of us. And we surrendered to temptation. And it was pretty good.
Yep, he didn't sleep with both of them.
But I never heard her cries for help. And now, Susie is gone.
Hold on! Hold on! Susie didn't commit suicide. She was murdered by Jerry Seinfeld.
Not only that, I broke his thumbs.
Now the shocking claim has come out that her death was a mob hit ordered by the CIA. In the book Double Cross, the story of Chicago gangster Sam Giancana, written by his brother Chuck and godson Sam, Marilyn Monroe is depicted as having scandalous affairs with John and Robert Kennedy and having access to information damaging to the CIA. Giancana's relationship to the CIA goes back to 1960 when they asked him to kill Fidel Castro. According to the book, Giancana had men try to poison Castro, but the Cuban leader had all his food and drink sampled by political prisoners. Even though those attempts were unsuccessful, the book claims the mobster's ties to the CIA continue to grow, and the CIA called him in to kill Monroe. According to nephew Sam Giancana, the mob and the government both had Monroe under surveillance.
Everyone was watching her because she was perhaps a loaded gun waiting to go off. Well, once she decided that she was going to go public, the CIA said, we cannot have her do that. And the CIA then requested that Marilyn Monroe be eliminated. And Sam Giancana accepted the contract to kill Marilyn Monroe.
At the same time, Giancana hoped to embarrass Monroe's lover, Bobby Kennedy, the Attorney General, who was hounding Giancana and the mob. Giancana states that he sent his assassins to Monroe's house.
They taped her mouth and inserted a doctored Nembutal suppository.
The dose was lethal.
A suppository was very fast-acting, like an injection. There was no traces of that sedative suppository. So it was a well-designed method of killing Marilyn Monroe.